Hey guys, Jason at Hard Money Bankers with your Private Money Minute. I was listening to this podcast last night related to trusting the process and taking action, and I can relate so much to it, and I want to break it down for real estate investors, since so many real estate investors are kind of sidelined. They don't know when's a good time to jump in, jump out. They're just not sure, right? And all real estate strategies are good, right? It's a good time to wholesale. It's a good time to buy rentals. It's a good time to buy a flip, to invest in a note. Finding a good deal is the most important thing. If you have a good deal, the capital will follow. The contractors will follow. Everything will follow. The experience will follow. And part of this podcast he talks about, he's like, I didn't learn anything about running my particular business in school. I learned on the job while I was doing it with real time, with my money on the line, my reputation on the line, my time on the line. So I think that was important. Now, obviously, you don't want to be irresponsible. You got to do responsible things. But, trust yourself, trust your process, take action, and you'll be successful, and do it the right way.